Hello everyone, welcome back to All About English. Have you ever wondered how possessive nouns in the possessive case are formed with the help of an apostrophe s or just an apostrophe? In today's video, I'm going to break it down for you. In the last video, I explained three important concepts of nouns. Check it out if you haven't watched it yet. So we already know that there are regular and irregular nouns, and each of them has two forms, singular and plural. To make it easier to understand how possessive nouns are formed, I'm categorizing them into four types. Number one, regular singular noun. Number two, regular plural noun. Number three, irregular singular noun. And number four, irregular plural noun. Now it's time to learn them one by one.
Number 1. Regular singular noun. To show possession of a regular singular noun, we add an apostrophe s at the end of it. For example, boys, pens, dresses, etc. Example sentence: This is the boy's book. Number 2. Regular plural noun. As a regular plural noun always ends with s, we add only an apostrophe at the end of it to show its possession. For example, boys, pens, dresses, etc. Example sentence: This is the boys' club. Number 3. Irregular singular noun. We again add an apostrophe s at the end of an irregular singular noun to show its possession. For example, man's, person's, foods, etc. Example sentence: This is the man's smartphone. And the last one, number 4, irregular plural noun. To show possession of an irregular plural noun, we again add an apostrophe s at the end of it. For example, men's, people's, feeds, etc. Example sentence: The ICC Men's Cricket World Cup is scheduled to start in 2027. But if an irregular plural noun ends with s, we add only an apostrophe at the end of it to show its possession. For example, lives, leaves, knives, etc. Example sentence: The patient's life's improvement shows how effective the new medicine is.
I have explained all the four categorized types with clarity and precise examples. So that's all for today's video. If you learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe for more lessons like this. Thank you very much for watching this video.